Okay guys, I'm finished doing my gardening and I just went and picked some aloe from my backyard and I'm going to do deep conditioning for my hair. You guys should always do a deep conditioning at least once a week. It's good for the hair. I cut the thorns out at the end of the aloe, the side pieces, and then I cut the one side off, and then I'm just gonna scoop out the aloe. See? It's gonna look like this. And then I'm gonna put it in my Ninja and put some olive oil and castor oil. Blend it, strain it, get the liquid out, put it in my hair, let it sit for about half an hour to an hour. I'm not doing anything. I'm just gonna binge watch some shows. So while I'm watching TV, I'm doing my hair. This is my castor oil, Jamaican castor oil. And I previously put the olive oil in. Now, it's going to look like this, but then you have to strain it. I'll show you what it looks like. This is what it looks like right now, and I'm not going to strain it because I got rid of all the clumps. And I'm going to put this in my hair and have it sit in my hair for about half an hour to an hour. Probably an hour because I'm going to watch a show right now. So now I'm going to sit here with this heating cap on. I'm going to sit under it for about an hour, maybe half an hour, depending on how I can tolerate the heat. Do you guys remember these hats from back in the day? I still have one. So, but on another note, does anybody know how I can get rid of this spot on my face? Come on. All my beauty queens out there, somebody must know. Tell me what to do. I believe it's age spots. I'm getting old. I'm getting this one there, this one here. It's very lightly on my cheek. It's starting to look like freckles on this side, but this one's overwhelmingly big. So if anybody knows what I can use to get that off, I think I tried almost everything. But if you know a secret, let me know. So this is the outcome of my hair after I have done the deep conditioning. And I just wanted to let you guys take a look at it. See, it looks really good. It feels good. And I'm going to turn around so you can see how it looks behind. See? I think it feels great. And I will try my best to do this once a week
And it's a good thing to do, especially if you have dry hair, damaged hair, you know. It really helps. And I have aloe vera in my backyard, so no excuses, right? I think I did good. Tomorrow I'm going to do a facial.